Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do an update on my Robinhood portfolio. Right now my portfolio is at $82,067.94. And my portfolio right now is basically all centered around Alibaba stock because I'm super bullish on Alibaba. So I have 400 shares of Alibaba right now. That's about, how much is that? Yeah, the market value right now is $116,000. So I have that much invested in Alibaba shares. And then I have the options right here. I've got a 50 credit put spreads, 260 and 257.5. That expires next Friday. So about a week and a half from now. And then I'm selling a covered call on my 400 shares. So I'm selling 4 covered calls at the 320 strike price. If you've been watching my previous video, you know that I sold a covered call at the 275 strike price, which is way too low. It's already at 291 today. Crazy, right? So I actually got rid of the 275 and replaced it with the 300. Then I realized it's already at 291. It might even reach 300 at the end of this week. And these covered calls, they expire next week. So I thought 300 was too low, so I got rid of them again, and now I'm at 320. Who knows? Maybe it'll reach 320, and then I'll have to move it up to like 350 or something. I don't know. Alibaba stock is just, it just keeps on going up. So I've got another put here. Okay, so here's my failed experiment. If you can see the graph here, right? It was going up, and then it dropped all the way down. This was because I decided to do something different, and instead of buying, the credit put spreads like all at once with the buying and selling the puts, I decided to try out selling and buying them separately. So I bought these puts right here for BABA at the 257.5 strike price, and then I tried to sell at the 260 strike price. So what happened was, I didn't buy 6. I ended up with 6, but what happened was, so first I bought these puts, right? I bought like over 100 of them. And then I thought, okay, now I bought the puts, now I'm gonna sell these 260 strike price puts. Well, guess what? It didn't fill. Oh God, it was horrible. And then Alibaba stock, the prices kept going up and up. So then it just became increasingly harder for me to actually fill my order of these sells. Because who wants to buy puts when it looks like Alibaba is going to the moon, right? So I panicked, and then I ended up selling almost all of my puts here because my order up here was not getting filled. So it just wasn't working out. It was a mess. I'm never doing it again. From now on, I'm never buying the legs separately. I'm only doing the spreads where it buys and sells them all at once, so I don't have to worry about that. It turned out to be it was a failed experiment. All right, I tried it, never done it before, and I'm never going to do it again because it just didn't work out for me. Now, on the other hand, if Alibaba, for some reason, after I bought all of these puts right here, and it started to go down, then it would have worked out for me. But BABA, it just kept on going up and up. So that's what happened in the middle of the day right here. It shot all the way down because I tried to do something and it just didn't work out. So I lost about $600. But I recovered at the end of the day. So right now, my portfolio is above 82,000. I'm really happy with that. Oh, and I'm going to brag a little bit because I made a good call here. So in my last video, I talked about how airline stocks, they would go up, but they would never hold and they would always go back down. Well, guess what happened? It did exactly what I thought it would. See, it shot up, right? But then afterwards, it kept on going down. So I'm really glad that I got rid of my airline stocks at the right time. And like I said, I'm bullish on Baba. I thought it would keep on going up, and it did. It's look at it. It just keeps on going up. I don't know. I mean, eventually there has to be a pullback, right? But it's working out so well for me so far. My confidence in Alibaba is just through the roof, all right? So I'm going to hold on to it for a long time. And it's my entire portfolio. And it's working out well for me so far. Hopefully it doesn't crash anytime soon, although I don't see that happening. If anything, I think it has huge upside, especially if Donald Trump is no longer president. There's not really anything to hold Alibaba back anymore. Well, some people are bearish on Baba because they think that other sites can compete with it, like JD, but I don't know. Most people I know, most content creators who make, backpacks and figurines and pins and whatnot and sell them, they use Alibaba. Dropshippers, they all use Alibaba. So, I don't know. I think the demand for Alibaba is just way too damn high. There's so many people who rely on them for like their business. So that's the way I see it. I think the demand for Alibaba is just really, really high, and I don't really see any reason to get rid of it anytime soon. I'm planning on holding it for a long time. Anyways, that's my portfolio, guys. It's basically all Alibaba. That's what I'm putting my faith in right now. So hopefully I'll see more gains in the next week. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.